Hello students, today we will discuss integration by substitution part second. Now by using some corollaries we prove the standard formulae of integration in trigonometric functions. For example, 1. Integration of tan x dx. Tan x function is not a derivative of any trigonometric function. Therefore, we cannot find its integration directly. Then, by using this corollary, we find the formula for integration of tan x in standard form. So, consider I is equal to integration of tan x dx is equal to integration of tan x is right in the form of numerator and denominator sin x divided by cos x dx. Now our corollary is, if the derivative of denominator in numerator, then we write this formula. Take its derivative of denominator d dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Now in numerator only sin x, not minus sin x. Then we adjust this minus of minus sin x divided by cos x dx is equal to minus integration of d dx of cos x. In place of minus sin x, we write d dx of cos x whole divided by cos x dx. Now, then we get this relation or corollary. The derivative of denominator in numerator, derivative of cos x, numerator d dx of cos x, then we write minus log of, that is f of x is cos x, log of cos x plus c. By using law of logarithm, log of this negative sign get cos x raised to minus 1 plus c, that is log of 1 divided by cos x plus c. Then 1 by cos x is cos of, log of sec x plus c. Therefore, we get a new formula, integration of tan x dx is equal to log of sec x plus c. Now, which is the 11th formula. In standard 10 formula are already given. The 11th formula, integration of tan x. That means in trigonometric function there are 6 trigonometric function. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos sin x. Integration of tan log of sec x. Now similarly way we find the next integration. Integration of cot x dx. Formula for integration of cot x dx is equal to, cot x can be written in numerator and denominator, cos x divided by sin x dx. Then the derivative of sin x is cos x. That means d dx of sin x is a cos x divided by sin x dx. Here we get directly derivative of denominator in numerator. Therefore, we cannot adjust the sign. Then its integration is log of denominator is sin x plus c. Now, which is the 12th formula, or in trigonometric function, that is the third formula. That is the 12th formula is integration of cot x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c. In place of open bracket we take modulus also, the positive or negative, always logarithm is positive, therefore we take modulus, but in our text only write the bracket. Then we write integration of cot x dx is log of bracket sin x plus c. Now next formula is integration of 13 integration of sec x dx. Now in this formula there is no numerator and denominator. Sec x is 1 by cos. 1 is a constant, not a trigonometric function. Then we add this sec x bracket sec x plus tan x multiply by this bracket whole divided by sec x plus tan x. न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनॉमिनेटरला काय केलं पण इथं sec x प्लस tan x ने मल्टिप्लाय अँड डिवाइड केलं. टेक प्रोडक्ट ऑन न्यूमरेटर sec square x plus sec x into tan x whole divided by sec x plus tan x dx. Now take derivative of denominator sec x plus tan x is equal to derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now required integration sec square x, here sec square x also, sec x plus tan x, that means derivative of denominator in numerator, then we write d dx of sec x plus tan x whole divided by sec x plus tan x dx is equal to log of sec x plus tan x plus constant c, and here support integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Now which is the 13th formula or the 5th formula for the trigonometric function integration of sec x dx is equal to log of sec x plus tan x. But we modify this formula. The question may be asked in examination, show that integration of sec x is, answer is given, this modified answer can be solved. Here integration of sec x dx is equal to log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Now only simplify this bracket by using the trigonometry. In last year we are already solved this example. Log of sec x means 1 divided by cos x plus tan means sin x divided by cos x plus c is equal to log of 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. Denominator of both terms are same, therefore take the sum of numerator. Log of 1 can be written in fundamental identity, that is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, its sum is 1, plus 2 into sin x in half angle, sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole divided by cos x can be written in half angle, cos square x by 2 first formula, minus sin square x by 2 bracket complete plus c is equal to log of, in numerator, which is the expansion of the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. We expand this, then we get cos square x by 2 plus twice x by sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. And the denominator is factorized, a square minus b square. Factorize these two bracket, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus c. Now this bracket and this square and bracket same, both are cancelled, is equal to log of remaining term is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 plus c. Now here dividing numerator and denominator both by cos x by 2, log of dividing numerator cos x by 2, here 1 plus here tan x by 2 whole divided by 1 minus tan x by 2, then is equal to log of, we write 1 is in form of tan pi by 4 is 1, the value does not change, tan x by 2 whole divided by, here 1 same, minus multiplying any term by 1, value does not change, then we multiply tan pi by 4 is, its value is 1 into tan x by 2 plus c, then we get log of tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, which is the formula for tan a plus b, tan of pi by 4 plus b is x by 2 plus c. If we ask, show that the integration of sec x dx is equal to this, then we simplify this formula in this way. This example is theoretical example asking in examination 4 marks. Similarly, we find integration of cosec x dx, that is the last formula, is equal to integration of cosec x, here also multiply cosec x minus cot x whole divided by cosec x minus cot x dx, which is the adjustment, is equal to integration of cosec square x minus cosec x into cot x whole divided by cosec x minus cot x dx. Now take the derivative of denominator d dx of cosec x minus cot x is equal to derivative of cosec x is, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x, and minus of derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. After simplify this minus and minus plus cosec square x minus cosec x into cot x. Now this derivative of cosec x minus cot x is same as in numerator, therefore continue this example in this page, new page. Therefore integration I is equal to integration of d dx of cosec x minus cot x whole divided by cosec x minus cot x dx. तर याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इथं आहे, आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. याचा फॉर्म्युला काय, इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ cosec x मायनस cot x प्लस c. इथं देखील कुठला फॉर्म्युला आपला, सिन्स इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स डिवायडेड बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस सी. नाउ अगेन मॉडिफाय दिस फॉर्म्युला. लॉग ऑफ cosec means 1 divided by sin x minus cot means cos x divided by sin x plus c is equal to log of again denominator is same, sin x 1 minus cos x plus c is equal to log of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, which is the half angle formula, divided by sin x चा हाफ अँगल मधला फॉर्म्युला जो आहे 2 आहे त्यातला पहिला 2 sin x by 2 इंटू cos x by 2. हाफ अँगल फॉर्म्युले अप्लाय केले, 2ला 2 कॅन्सल, इथला 1 आणि साइन कॅन्सल इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ sin divided by cos is tan of x by 2 plus c, which is the integration of cosec x dx. That means we get the 6 standard formulae of trigonometric functions. Now next point in this integral is, if example is in the form of integration a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x, or a into e raised to x plus b divided by c into e raised to x plus d dx, then we use the definite rule, that is numerator is converted into, a is any constant in text, we take lambda and mu, but we take capital A into denominator plus b into d dx of denominator. Sometimes if we take a into derivative of denominator plus b into denominator, which is also correct. म्हणजे याला ऑर जे आहे ते a into d dx of denominator plus b into denominator असं लिहिलं तरी उत्तर सेम येऊ शकतं. तर याच्यासाठी मी एक एक्झाम्पल अगोदरच लिहून ठेवलं आहे. या पद्धतीचं एक्झाम्पल जर आलं तर याचं उत्तर देखील आपल्याला माहीत होतं डायरेक्ट MCQला. बघा, ए आणि बीच्या किमती माहिती असतील. ए इंटू लॉग ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी हे ठरलेलं आहे. याचं ॲन्सर काय ठरलेलं आहे, ए लॉग डिनॉमिनेटर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. फक्त ए आणि बीच्या किमती कॅल्क्युलेट करणं एवढंच आपलं इथं एम आहे. आता हे एक्झाम्पल आपण डीपमध्ये सोडूया म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. तर न्यूमरेटर जो आहे फॉर्म्युला काय, न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू डिनॉमिनेटर प्लस बी इंटू डी डी एक्स ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर काय इथं साइन एक्स प्लस 2 cos x न्यूमरेटर लिहिला, a इंटू डिनॉमिनेटर 3 sin x प्लस 4 cos x प्लस b इंटू d dx ऑफ 3 sin x प्लस 4 cos x या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिलं. लेफ्ट हँड साईड आहे ती सेम, साइन एक्स प्लस 2 cos x इज इक्वल टू ए ब्रॅकेट 3 sin x प्लस 4 cos x प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट, पण इथं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लिहू शकतो. आता साईनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस आहे, 3 कॉस एक्स, कॉसचं मायनस आहे, -4 साईन एक्स इज इक्वल टू, आता साईन एक्सला मल्टिप्लाय काय येते ते पाहिजे आपल्याला. काय येणार आहे साईन एक्सला मल्टिप्लाय? पहिला 3 मायनस 4b इंटू साईन एक्स प्लस कॉस एक्सला मल्टिप्लाय काय येणार आहे पहिला 4a प्लस 3b इंटू cos x. Left hand side is sin x plus 2 cos x. Now comparing these two sides, coefficient of sin x, here 3a minus 4b is equal to coefficient of sin x is 1 and coefficient of cos x is 4a plus 3b is equal to 2. Equation 1, equation 2. These are linear equation in terms of a and b. First we multiply by equation 1 3 and by equation 2 4. Then we get 3 into 3 9 and we take its sum. 4 into 4 16, that is 25a. 3 into 4 is minus 12 and 3 into 4 is plus 12 plus 0 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, that is a is equal to 11 divided by 25. Second, 3a minus 4b, 4a plus 3b. Now we write equation third, equation 4 is equal to 1 is equal to 2. Now we eliminate we eliminate here a multiplying by 4 for third equation, multiplying by 3 fourth equation, take its subtraction. 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12, 0. 4 into 4 is 16, 3 into 3 9, this minus, which is also minus 25b is equal to 1 minus 2 is 4 into 1 is 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Therefore, b is equal to 2 by 25. b ची किंमत जी आहे ती काय मिळाली आपल्याला 2 by 25. a मिळाला, b मिळाला. Now write required integration. I is equal to a is 11 divided by 25. a into denominator is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus b is 2 divided by 25 into d dx of denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x whole divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Then on dividing, integration of 11 divided by 25 1 dx plus 2 by 25 into now derivative of denominator in numerator, therefore log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, that is 11 divided by 25 x plus 2 divided by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus constant c, which is its solution. Now we take next example, integration of sine of x minus a divided by cos of x plus b dx. Now this denominator, the value of angle is adjacent in numerator. In this way, sine of x plus b, we take b is extra, minus b minus a whole divided by cos of x plus b dx is equal to sine of square bracket x plus b minus a plus b, take minus common, whole divided by cos of x minus b dx. Now I apply the formula sine of a minus b, sine x plus b into cos a plus b minus cos of x plus b into sine a plus b whole divided by cos of x minus b dx is equal to integration of, take cos a plus b is common, that is outside the integration, cos of a plus b is a constant, take outside integration, it is a constant. Then sine of x plus b divided by cos of x plus b dx minus here sine a plus b, take outside integration, and dividing this cos we get only 1 dx is equal to minus of cos of a plus b. Now change this sign, minus sine of x minus b divided by cos of x plus b, cos of x plus b dx minus sine of a plus b into integration 1 dx. हे मायनस चिन्ह आपण ॲडजस्ट काय केले, कॉसचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मायनस साईन आणण्यासाठी ॲडजस्ट केले, देअरफॉर मायनस ऑफ कॉस ऑफ ए प्लस बी एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स डिवायडेड बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स म्हणजे लॉग ऑफ कॉस ऑफ एक्स प्लस बी, हे झालं याचा आन्सर, मायनस साईन ऑफ ए प्लस बी वनचं इंटिग्रेशन एक्स प्लस सी. नाउ दिस मायनस साइन cos of a plus b into log of 1 by cos means sec of x plus b minus x into sin of a plus b plus c. Now we get in this way, or some students can be write sin divided by cos is tan, and integration of tan is directly write sec of x plus b. Integration of tan x is sec x. then we apply this formula or adjust the minus sign. Okay, today we'll discuss the new concept of substitution and new example. Next times we study the again special type of the substitution. Okay.